In this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating how to find percentage increases using a calculator. Now, I'll be showing you a particular method. There are lots of other different methods. I'll be showing you one. Now, let's take a look at question 1 and see what we can make of it. It says here to increase 5,440 millimeters by 60%. So what that really means is I have to find 60% of 5,440, get the answer, and add that answer to the original amount of 5,440. So let's just keep it simple. I have to first of all find 60% of 5,440, and that looks like this. I'm just rewriting the statement really into one that I can actually work with. So 60% of 5,440. Now, when it comes to using this, I have to remember that of, in this case, is just another word for to multiply. Okay, so it'll be 60% multiplied by 5,440. So let's just do that. 60%, 60 multiplied by 5,440. Hit the percent button, hit the equals button, 3,264. Okay, so what is this? This is 60%. So I've found 60%, and now I have to increase 5,440 by this 60%. So all I need to do is add it. I just add it to the original amount. So plus 5,440, and that will give me 8,704. Great. 8,704. What's the unit of measurement? We're talking about millimeters. And so number 1 is now done. Let's try number 2. Same kind of problem here. Increase 280 milliliters by 124%. So I have to find 124% of 280. And that looks like this, doesn't it? 124% of 280. Now we know what the of means now. We have to multiply. So let's get that calculator back. 124 times 280, hit the percent, hit the equals. Okay, 347.2. 347.2. And what is this, guys? Yes, this is 124%. So all I need to do is take that amount and add it to the original amount. So I might as well use my calculator for that. Plus, what was the original amount? 280 equals 627.2. And the unit of measurement is milliliters, and that is now complete. So that's how the process goes. Basically, you find the percentage of the original amount, and the answer to that you add on to the original amount to get your final increased answer.